What is Twitter marketing? Twitter is a short message communicator on a social networking site. It is also known as a social networking site where we can share on 140 characters. Only we can share images, links, videos. If you want to market your product and services online, you have to keep in your mind audience. If you know your audience, your target group, it can help you. If you want to market on Twitter, you have to create Twitter profile first. Once you did, your next step it is to make your profile look professional. How to make your Twitter profile professional marketing? Bangla tutorial. There some there are some elements that can help you to make your Twitter profile professional. These elements and header photo, profile photo, Twitter name, handle, and Twitter bio. Other important things: make at least six tweets with attractive images. It makes profile looks smart. Once you did, your next step is to find targeted people and follow 50 people every day and tweet once a day. Bidai.